I don't know how many of you know that I trained in clinical hypnotherapy, psychotherapy and counselling. And that was 26 years now I've been practicing that. Not full time anymore, but still keeping the ongoing professional development going, always studying, always reading, always talking to people, always helping people. I say the one place that helps me is this nature. Just sitting here listening to them, listening to the chirping going on, and then every now and then you'll hear the kookaburras. I don't know how many also now, the last, say, 5 or 6 years, it's been a stressful time, family-wise, personally. And then we had the 2019, 2020, 2021 thing. I don't want to go there with that. But I helped Mum cope with Dad, with his dementia, taking to appointments, picking Mum up, taking her places, dropping her off, picking her up from seeing Dad, dropping her off to spend the day with Dad. And then organising his funeral when he died. That wasn't easy. Not easy at all. And that was 3-4 years ago now, and to be honest, still haven't got over that one. I don't think it's anything you get over, is it? It's just something you learn to cope with. And then just after Dad's death, my brother's cancer came, and spent 2.5 years taking him to and from his treatment. And then I had to arrange his funeral for him. Just help his wife, because she wasn't able to. So I think that can't compound things, doesn't it? Yeah, and then other things in life, family things, work, all that sort of thing, money, all builds up. And like I said, this is my therapy. Getting out here helps me. I think honestly I could do about 6 or 8 weeks. That'd probably just get me in that spot where I'm, yes. And there's countries around the world, like Japan, I think Switzerland do it, and there's a few others. I can't remember which ones it were. But what they do is they'll sign you off on sick for 2 weeks and send you out bush or out into the mountains, and we'll go walking for them 2 weeks to help sort your mind out and allow your body to heal without the stress. I love that idea. I do. I truly believe in that. Stress causes probably 99.9% of illnesses. And if you can sort your stress out, your life will be so much better. Just a short few hours hopping out here, I can feel myself just going, Even the sounds of the bloody mozzies. It sounds good. I think I pulled lucky tonight. I think I was saying earlier, school holidays, and normally this place is packed. Or when I say packed, sometimes there's another 1 or 2 people, another time there's another 9, 10 people here. Not one person here at the moment. And the time is, I think, about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Kookaburra starting. Maybe you'll hear that on the microphone. watching the sun slowly coming down over there. And the sunrise in the morning over here, it's just bloody beautiful. It just starts to see a little hint of a glow, and it goes pink, and then it goes red, and it just goes pop. The blue sky appears. That's when there's no clouds in it, but it's just beautiful. And as that sun is coming up, all the nature starts to wake up with it. I'm just going to sit here for a bit longer and relax.